oil and gas apa nama punya revenue is so big, it's filthy big, you know. Um, Semua benda macam orang cakap lah kan. Semua benda kat dalam oil and gas ni boleh buat duit. And boleh buat duit dia bukan sikit-sikit punya buat duit lah. Okay. I give you one example. Contoh lah. Dia nak service aircon je. Sekarang ni part of my team kena tengok aircon pula kan. Okay, kalau kita service aircon lah kat rumah kan. Macam ada tu saya panggil apa nama abang ni kan. Dia service aircon saya kat rumah ni. Saya tanya-tanya macam, okay, berapa agak ni ya? 1,000 ada tak? Bila dia quote, oh 120 saja. Oh, okay. Bayar 120. Fine lah, bayar. Dan dia service lah aircon yang ada dekat master bedroom tu. Berapa? Nak service aircon? Service aircon dekat refinery. Okay, tak apa. Cukup. Jawapan dia adalah 12,000. Service aircon, benda biasa je kan. Tapi boleh buat duit sampai 12,000 dekat dalam oil and gas. Okay, so cuba fikir benda-benda lain lagi yang ada dekat dalam oil and gas ni kan. Contohnya macam being service provider, licensing technology, you know, you can join inspection punya company doing inspection. Ini a lot of money in here. And then being the staff dekat downstream punya business, okay. And then apa nama macam bulan apa hari tu yang you guys buat training pasal exploration pun banyak duit kita nak buat kan. Ada duit banyak ni kan. Kita just fokus dekat refinery je sekarang. Okay, refinery is one part of the downstream. Okay. Bila kita tengok refinery tu kan, dia besar macam ni, tapi tak semua unit, not all units are created the same. Okay, you must understand that some units are meant to produce. Okay, this unit macam contoh macam apa nama CBU ke CRU, HK, MG3. These are the units to produce, to make money, to sell. But some units are to treat. Okay, so prior to apa nama exporting to other customers or prior to ship to another unit, you have to treat some of the product, some of the medium. Okay, so these units ni untuk treat. Tapi dalam dia equipment dia lebih kurang sama aja. Ada exchanges, ada column. Okay, looking from maintenance point of view, you akan nampak benda sama juga, lebih kurang sama. And some units, okay, adalah untuk enable. Okay, dia taklah buat duit dan dia tak jual apa-apa. Dia just apa nama dapat feed daripada unit lain, dia process and then dia bagi kepada industri lain. Or sorry, kepada unit lain ke, kepada apa nama plant lain ke, to process some more. Okay, the best example I can give is ARDS, kan? Ataupun refinery complex yang dekat Pengerang. Most of the unit adalah untuk feed kepada petchem. And petchem akan buat duit lah. And some units adalah untuk support. Okay, unit ni macam contoh utility yang bagi apa nama cooling water, bagi plant air, instrument air, electricity, steam, you know. Unit macam ni kita panggil apa nama utility unit, dan dia punya purpose of life adalah untuk support. Tapi jangan pandang rendah dengan unit-unit yang support macam ni. If I'm not mistaken, kalau macam apa nama dekat Pengerang kan, utility sana buat duit kan, pergi jual apa nama dekat apa panggil tu, dekat PRF camp. So macam saya cakap tadi, apa saja dekat oil and gas ni semua boleh buat duit. Okay, so apa nama, walaupun unit ni tak created the same, you have the same amount of responsibility and also importance dalam you punya team or organization. Kita tak pernah pandang rendah pada orang yang kerja dekat utility ke, tak pernah pandang rendah pada orang yang kerja dekat enabler ke, sebab if one thing tak ada downstream, apa yang kita yang kat upstream ni, di upstream macam contoh CDU apa semua nak hantar ke mana kan. So basically akan impact kita juga. So that's why bila refinery ataupun plant ni kan, kita live in a complex. Okay, semua orang dia macam apa nama cubit per kiri per kanan terasa lah. And another thing about refinery ni, bila orang tanya saya kan, how does it feel like working in refinery, I cakap sebiji je macam ya duduk dekat asrama. You know, people know each other, you know, seriously macam duduk asrama. I duduk asrama 5 tahun, kerja kat sini pun tak ada beza, you know. Okay. Next. Okay. So kalau you guys nak tengok kan, okay, ini contoh apa nama kita dekat dalam one of the refinery yang I will not name. It has been altered. I think Fazrul dengan Aizat dalam ni kan, you guys boleh mengimbau kembali lah kenangan yang lama. Okay. So I bagi contoh, macam kat sini kan. Okay, ini jetty. Okay, jetty ni kat tengah-tengah laut lah. Dekat tengah laut, and you guys can see dia punya macam loading arm, apa nama, SPM. SPM stands for apa lah, I forgot lah. Okay, a single point mooring. Okay, and then you ada juga dekat laut, you ada ship loader punya ni. Kalau Acah rasa nak macam apa nak upstream tu, boleh lah. Actually, this is not a joke. Kalau you guys masuk downstream pun, there is a chance that you can get to experience upstream punya experience lah. What I'm trying to say is macam kerja offshore. Contohnya bila kita ada problem dengan floating hose, kita ada problem dengan single point mooring, kita ada problem dengan contohnya gas terminal dekat laut, dekat tepi tu kan. Bila kita buat maintenance dekat laut tu, you know, kita boleh claim offshore allowance. Okay, some of my team dah ada pernah buat lah. Okay, dan you know, boleh lah kita nak rasa kan. Okay, so yang atas ni adalah cogen. Cogen ni basically bila kita apa nama, dia ada gas turbine. Gas turbine ni adalah untuk drive motor, drive generator. Okay, dia drive generator, so that generator tu produce electricity, and exhaust daripada turbine tu tadi akan flow to HRSG, namanya apa nama? Heat Recovery Steam Generator. So tak perlu ada boiler lagi dah dekat dalam plant ni. Kita dah ada HRSG, dah cukup dah nak bagi. Okay, and then you can see here ini massive punya fired heater. Okay, this could be dekat CDU. Okay, and then you can see a lot of heat exchangers, vessel and whatnot. By just looking at this picture, I think most of the craft can be identified here. Okay, contohnya macam taking care of the vessel, you require static engineer. Okay, which the background is mechanical engineering lah. Okay, and then you can have the platform, the vessel skirt, the foundation and whatnot. That belongs to civil engineers. And then boleh tak kita zoom sikit tengok, okay, kat situ nampak macam ada TI ke PI tu kan. Okay, itu belongs to instrument. Okay, so siapa-siapa macam I rasa macam tadi I dengar dalam presentation apa Encik Syakir tu kan, ada orang risau dia degree apa untuk kerja dalam oil and gas. You don't have to worry. Actually, in fact, saya punya intern sebelum ni, dia punya course adalah mechatronic, dan dia baru jadi absorb jadi staff like March hari tu. Okay, may I know what is the mean time before failure of a gas turbine? What's the maintenance frequency? All right. Thank you, Ashley, for the question. Okay, so basically, the meantime of we don't maintain it after it failed. Okay, this kind of equipment is a big equipment and it's very important to our plant. So we have this activity which is equivalent to a turnaround, but it is on the gas turbine. We call it mechanical inspection, mechanical integrity, MI. So every gas turbine, depending on the design of it, would have the recommended running hours. Okay, so for instance, the ones that we have in our plant have 100,000 hours. So closing into the clock of 100,000 hours, we have to plan for MI for that particular gas turbine. So 100,000 hours is equivalent of like 4 to 5 years, you know, considering we are not running the turbine continuously for a long period of time. I think I answered the question patiently, right? Okay, and then we can see a lot of storage tank. Ini pun macam dekat Pengerang, Petronas has decided to outsource what do you call that this service, because maintaining a tank is very expensive. Like what is the people in MRC or in Malacca or in Terengganu is experiencing right now. They have to fork out some amount of money just to maintain the tank. So if you um, um, can have a business model just like what Dialog has back in Pengerang. They have a plot of land, and then they basically build a tank farm for Petronas, or actually APRF camp to use, which is I think a very good idea.